Well, spring has sprung for the real estate market, so if you're looking to buy, our mortgage loan expert is here to walk us through a few simple 12-step process.
12 steps, there we go. 12 steps of buying a home. So really the big issue is,
yes,
a beautiful day like today, people will go out, start looking at open houses, and they're doing things a little backwards.
So don't start looking
Don't
first?
start looking for a home first. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are pre-approved for a mortgage.
That's the first thing to do.
First thing to do. Step one, meet with a lender, find out what programs are available, find out if you're even able to get approved. And the big mistake is you could lose $1,000. Pay for an appraisal, pay for a home inspection, all the inspections. If you aren't pre-approved first, you would lose that $1,000.
Okay, so that's step one.
Step one is absolutely get pre-approved, know what you're looking for, know what you're looking at, know what's comfortable. Then you want to find a real estate agent, find a professional to represent you. There are buyer agents and there are seller agents. If you're buying, you want a buyer agent.
What if you're doing both?
Well, then you would probably find one of each.
One of each.
Or the agent could represent you in both transactions as a listing agent and a buying agent.
All right, before you move on, tell me how you determine what you can afford.
Well, it depends on the program. And what we're going to do, a lender is going to sit down with you, look at your income, look at your assets, look at your debts. They're also going to look at your credit. If your credit isn't 100%, that's okay. If you don't have a lot of money to buy a home for down payment, there are programs where you can get in with almost no money down. There are grant programs. There's so much available. And so step one is really get your bearings. Get pre-approved first.
All right, so then what do we do?
So now you have an agent. You're going to go looking for homes. You're going to put in a contract. You will then do your inspections, and you'll make a formal loan application with a lender. At that point, we will order an appraisal, verify your income, assets, get you approved. Then you move in.
You've made this very simple. We have bought and moved into a house in 2 minutes.
Absolutely. There you go.
Well, what do you do, too, when you're looking for a house and you fall in love with something that is over what you said you'd pay? I mean, how much give is there?
There is give. And one of the things I'm always telling my clients is, owning a home has tax benefits.
Yes.
And instead of getting a big tax refund at the end of the year, you can opt to get that money back each month. Of course, you want an accountant's advice, so at the end of the year, you don't owe money. But it's a good idea to get some of that refund back each month to help your monthly cash flow and make that payment a little bit easier.
We didn't get to a question, but next time you come back, well, I just was so interested in this housing process. Next time we'll get the question.
You got it.
All right, Brian.
Thank
Nice to see you.